turn both ways so that you don't get dizzy, because there's a lot of turnarounds in there. Let me hear the music for a second again. At the beginning,
because I'm starting my own music here, I missed the very beginning of the music with the choreography. What I would do is these pendulums, together time to extend that section. In order to create drama in the buildup of the piece, the opening section here remains in together time for the first two turnaround sections. And then when the third turnaround comes in here, that's when I finally split the time and I open my hands up. At this point, I still haven't really done any movements over my head, and I haven't done much in the way of full patterns. Everything that you're seeing is relatively simplistic and pretty much below my shoulder height. You'll notice this next turnaround, lyric, is the one that I miss because that is where the timing changes in the music itself.
I'd never tried it before, so that's my improv attempt of like trying to match it with simple moves for you to give you ideas.